be plain out. Ooh. Dinner for real gotta be plain on. Okay, everyone gets ramen for dinner. Y'all come and eat now. Food's on the table. Alright, babe, let's see what you made for dinner tonight. Well, for dinner tonight, dinner is actually going to be on the table for tonight, and it is going to be ramen. Okay, mix and stir all of it around. Wait. And I know dang well y'all love soy sauce ramen. Mommy, soy sauce noodles are disgusting. Boy, you gonna eat what I cook. Now you better be grateful, otherwise you're gonna get this chocolate to the face. Okay, guys. Here's y'all food. One by one. Now, y'all go ahead and eat. I know y'all had a long day. Kids, I know y'all had a long day of school. Babe, I know you had a long day at work. Y'all deserve this. Wait a minute. You not eating? No, I'm not eating. Mommy, your cooking is nasty. What did you just say? Oh, you said your cooking is nasty. Oh, what did I do? Nate, don't you ever talk to me like that again. Either you eat it or you go upstairs into your room and eat sleep. Let me hear you complain one more time. You gonna get a butt whooping. I'm done playing with you. You don't need to do all that. Go ahead and go on in the room. I'll deal with him after dinner. Boy, you lucky. Hurry up and finish your food and meet me in my room. Ooh. Ooh. You are in a heathen trouble. What I tell you about talking to your mom like that? Stop talking to your mom like that. If I ever see you do that again, I'm gonna spank you with my hand so hard. Now don't you ever talk to your mother like that again. Do you understand me? What? Now give me that dang controller. Matter of fact, you don't have a controller. Give me those VR glasses in your phone. Oh, Dad, please, anything but my phone and my VR. You don't give me them, I'm about to for real hurt you. Give me them now. You're grounded for a day. And there will be no games today and tomorrow. Thank you. And why have you been going on to the deep web? What is it was up for sale? That's it. Go to sleep. Correct. You get donut holes for dinner tonight. One out of the bag, babe. Thanks, babe. So good. Keisha, take one. Thank you, Mom. James, go ahead and take one. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, where's my donut hole? Here you go. Finish your dinner from last night, so bon appetit. Eating this nasty food. Dad, before I have to slap this belt right across your butt. It's nasty. Can I at least just give it to the dog? Now, otherwise I'm gonna smack you back to bed. Ooh.